No more, no more pint, okay? That's what they
Always
said.
proceed.
Really, very. Okay, thank you very much. We want to see Lincoln Memorial. Yeah,
Nice place.
yeah. We try to ride in the bus, but it's take long.
Oh,
Take too long, yeah, to take a
Metro?
bus.
Okay.
The metro. They said 45 minutes.
How many minutes?
45 minutes.
45 minutes.
Yes, a lot of stop.
Yeah, because it's,
But
yeah.
this, phew, yeah.
This is going to take 18 minutes. So.
Mhm. I might call back again. You might be the driver coming back or going back. I hope so. Because lift is everywhere, huh?
Lift, yeah.
Yeah, anybody is available. How? Oh, what happened? Is it rainy season here? It's raining, huh?
Yeah, it's supposed to rain.
Wow.
Yeah.
Eh. Oh, the month of May is raining, huh? Rain.
April, May,
June.
half June.
Not June, huh? Basta May. That's the wrong month. Washington, D.C. University, Columbia. Yeah, that's the bus supposed to be, but it takes so long. A lot of How far is Lincoln Memorial to White House?
Not far.
Not far. We can walking distance.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So after these two lights,
Mm-hmm.
on the left hand side is Washington DC
Oh.
Zoo.
Zoo, okay. Straight is Lincoln.
No, we got left. You have to cut there.
Ah, to the right. Ah, this is it. Okay. Go around.
Going to the mall.
Mm-hmm. Not too many traffic, huh? Less
No.
traffic, yeah.
No, that's right.
But